Okay, so we're going to just head off. Myself and the lads are beside you all the way. Just go out into the middle. It's always safest in the middle, less to hit.
Yeah.
So if you remembering your edge, gentle paddles, and you're just going for control. So just in this section, it's straightforward. So we're just trying to get relaxed, and then we lead you through the fast bit, and there'll be plenty of people at the bottom if you need a hand. And it's not that difficult. I mean, we're talking about it, but this is a beginner trip, so you know, it's not like it's. We don't want to bunch up too much. So this is just a little rapid. You might feel a rock underneath, but you'll just bounce over it. Okay. So you just follow your own way down. Stay relaxed. And the people in the far distance, they're just beginning to go around where the faster bit of water is. Okay, so just paddle over anything here, you'll be fine. Just try and go straight over it. Now keep paddling, remember. So yeah, you'll ease off now, and we're just on the bunch up. But when you're in any little rapid, it's better to have some paddling. Yeah. So we go over behind the blue boat there, because from there we can see. I was saying to someone that my personal aim this year was to have all the community members paddle.
You just about not everyone. You've got some
Yeah.
land.
Well, over the year, Jane's been.
Jane's been
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
She's got cold today.
Yeah.
She said I won't come up.
No, that's okay. It's a busy time as well.
Yeah, no, I mean for the Dale's thing, she wanted to come, but she's got like a sore throat she had. And I said, well,
Oh no, I've lost track of the guy I meant to be
no,
with.
you go for your thingies and I'll...
Yeah. So you're free to do whatever you want. In the gentle stuff, you might want to just do that edging thing. But if you don't want to, don't worry. So I'll demonstrate when we're starting out. I'll demonstrate how we start from the side. So normally we're in the eddy and we're normally facing upstream. So the way we come out of the eddy, and as I put onto the current, I put my edge on, and then the boat just turns. So the paddle's on the downstream side, and then I'm ready to go. So that's a general thing for coming out of an eddy into faster water. The glasses really do it for you.
Funny, right? This is the last minute thing. I was just like,
Yeah.
Oh, right now.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, we can follow on down. This way a bit. If you want to go in the fast water, you can. Let's take a bit of the fast water. So we'll follow Sarah, the purple boat. Stay relaxed. Stay relaxed. Keep paddling. Excellent. There's a few rocks here, just stay back a bit, you'll see them yourself. So you can see where the others are going. We're going to follow that line. So a lot of rapids, if you start in the right place, it's easier. So we're going to start more or less where the red boat is, maybe slightly towards the green boat, and we're going to diagonally go down towards the bluff there. You see, you're going to see plenty of rocks, but you'll be able to go over them. They're quite round rocks. Okay, so it speeds up here. I'm going to take the outside away from the waves, but if you want to go through them, if you feel comfortable, you can do whatever you want, okay? But I'm going to take the safer line. Good. Yeah. So now it's as you feel comfortable now. You've done well enough. I'm going to show always the easier line, but if you want to go in the rapids, that's fine. You've got the skills to do it. So and you can watch other people go through and decide whether you want to or not. Okay, so you just look for the rocks yourself and control your boat.